Hello and welcome to this week's news from the Movement for Christ family. A crusade was held by Pastor Patrick Namuteza in eastern Uganda. This aimed to bring together the local community for a series of spiritual gatherings, worship and preaching. It sought to seek religious teachings, promote faith, and foster a sense of community among attendees. Over 100 people were in attendance, fellowshipping in prayers, worship, and sermons. Pastor Gwelule hosted a mega Exodus worship night in Jinja Central College, Kirisa Grounds, Uganda. The event featured guest speakers and a worship team. The name of the Lord was indeed glorified as many gathered in obedience to God's word, to give glory to his name and listen to the message of the man of God. Finally, the school built by Pastor Gwelule has urgent need for repair as the roof isn't in the best shape and the wooden walls are damaged. To God be all the glory and praise. Tune in next week for more Kingdom news from Movement for Christ.